Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to wash and condition your Modish extensions for a reinstall. If you're interested, keep watching.
Stimulate me. I want you mental and physically.
Okay, so you want to get like a bucket or a bin, whichever you prefer. Fill it with warm water and add shampoo. So I like using TRESemmé with no sulfate because I feel like it works best. After you dip the hair, you want to comb it as you go to get rid of all of that like oil and debris. So when washing bundles, I like to do them one at a time. And every time I put the new one in, I will dump the old water and use clean water. So same process, add warm water with shampoo, and then you just do the same thing for that second bundle. And you want to make sure you're like massaging the shampoo through the hair. You want to be very gentle because if not, you will get like tingling and shedding and all kind of crazy stuff like that. So you want to be very gentle with it. Okay, so after you thoroughly wash the hair with the shampoo, you want to rinse it out and then it's time to condition. So I'm going to start by using the MOROCCANOIL first, and I'm going to put a very small amount because that's a very expensive product. It's like $50 for that small container. But anyway, I'm just going to take it and evenly distribute it throughout the hair. And you don't have to use two different conditioners. It works just as well as if you use one, but I just wanted the hair to have as much moisture as possible, and especially because one of the bundles has highlights in it. So after you evenly distribute the conditioner throughout the hair, you want to comb it through and definitely make sure to get those ends. So I'm gonna put y'all on game real quick. Some of y'all might think I'm crazy for this, but after I condition it, or with the conditioner in, I like to put it in a bag, like a plastic bag. You can even use a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna put it in the microwave. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take the hair, put it in the microwave for like 3 minutes. Be careful when you're taking it out the microwave because it's literally going to be steaming hot. And what you want to do is you want to get that bin that you had earlier, fill it up with warm water, and just dip it to take the conditioner out. So this next part I did off camera, but I pretty much just did the same thing. This time I used the silicone mix. I put it back in the microwave for another 3 minutes. I dumped that old water, filled it up with warm water again. And then now I'm just doing the same thing, just dipping it, making sure I get all of that conditioner out and combing it. Where you lay? So I think you should fuck with me, yeah. Be the one to take me out the street, yeah. I can give you everything you need, yeah. Need you in my reach, yeah. You know I fall really, really deep, yeah. You can put your love in where I speak, yeah, baby. I belong to you. So all that I'm doing here is just reactivating that waist pattern. This is actually for one of our good customers. She normally likes to wear her hair straight, but for her second install she wanted to wear it wavy. So I'm just reactivating those waves. spot with the wave pattern, you want to wring it out and run it under cool water to get any excess conditioner out of it. Alright guys, so this is how everything should look after you finish. Here's what it should be looking like. So as you can see, the wave pattern is back in action, and now we just have to wait for it to dry. So this is the finished result. This is what everything should look like after the hair is air dried. As you can see, it's nice and bouncy and it has a nice sheen to it. So it's ready for a second install. Thanks for watching.